And then for you, it is going to be a pain in the... That's good. All right, man. Have a good weekend.
Done?
Yep.
I got an emergency call.
Wow. Somebody got a big flood.
At the next light, turn left.
Let's use double rubber.
The early computer guys were creating a first network somewhere around 1974-75. They decided to call it Ethernet after the concept of ether that was in early alchemy.
We must create a super right which remains unknown. Only some may know these things and others not.
You need to pinprick your finger and place a drop of your blood over the words, "I intend to bring forth heaven and earth for the benefit of all." You publish a short video beside my own under Blood Over Intent on YouTube. It's very simple. There's no way to fuck this up. I am fucking Satan himself in the flesh. Get over it. I don't take money, worship, advice, sex.